Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a little haul. Before I jump in, just to say hello and hope everybody's doing well and enjoying our warmer weather that we're getting here lately and the storms. But I did want to share a couple things. I did get this from Creative Memories. This is the camera template. Got something on my thing. What's it called? Camera snapshot recipe template. So it just shows you some different ways that you can do some quick layouts, and so I like to have those when I'm just trying to hurry up and do some layouts. So got that from them. So the rest of this is TM small. TM really doesn't have anything new. Stuff is just been recycled. But I went to get some, not recycled, just some extra stuff. Went to get some this stuff. The tape, 1/4 inch. And while I was there, I went to a different one. And I think I had this, so I gotta look and see. If I do, I'm gonna take this back. But this is just a mini weaving loom, and it was $4.99. So you can make different shapes. And I got plenty yarn from the dollar store. But I think I did get this already, so that I think is going back. I did get this from Michael's, another one of the Artist Loft, and this is Illustrator pen, and this is like a big pen, except it's a small big pen. Is black, and then another Jelly Roll number 10, you know, put your white highlights. And then I picked up this from Michael's as well. They were only on clearance for 73 cents, and this was 18 treat bags. So just thought it was nice to have something quick in a hurry. This was for something else, I had a project for my daughter that she was using it for, so I got that for her. And then the rest of this came from TM. These are the Pour Art Gold Flakes. So this one really, technically, you're supposed to put the gold flakes into the medium, well, pouring the paint. But I'm going to see if you can still use it in any other type of mixed media. So we'll see. I did get this Carpe Diem personalized you docket journal and insert in your Carpe Diem planner. You can write down recipes. I got this for my daughter because she's a foodie, so I thought she might like that. She's always coming up with stuff. And then I got this from Michael's as well, and this was the Spectrum Noir glitter brush pen set. I may have this already. I know I have the white, the clear, and some pinks and some different colors. I don't know if I have the gold and the silver and the black. That one doesn't ring a bell. If I do, I haven't used it, so I went on and got those. Now this one was $4.77. Would have been cheaper at Tuesday morning. Would have been like $3.99, I think. Might have been around the same price. I can't remember. But anyway, I got that. They had a lot of stuff on sale at Michael's. And then I got this Bow Bunny for $2.99. These skates. And then I got this Jen Hatfield. Don't think I have this one. Is Heart of the Home. Choose joy, grow together, gather together. You are my home, we are family. And again, this one looks vaguely familiar, so I'm going to check that. Take it back if I do. And then last but not least, and this has been out before, but I don't know what made me decide to go ahead and try it this time, was the Tim Hortons. I guess because I usually see one of these or this. I don't usually see all of them together. But they all have them together in all the sizes. And this is the tag press. You know, I do like punches, but sometimes they don't work as well. But this one, it has a template in it. You can cut out your circle and trace it. And you can put it in here and make a tag. You can do that without it, I'm sure. But, you know, but just have that metal rim on it, you know, sometimes added a little stability. And I end up getting those. So these are the 0.75, 1.25. I mean 1.5, I think that's what it is. 1.25. And then this was a mixture in here. So I haven't opened it, debating if I'm going to keep it. I'd rather watch the videos and see, but, you know, just some fun you can make an add-on to something that you gift into somebody. So that is my tiny haul from Tuesday morning. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.